Money has a funny way of slipping through our fingers. You earn more, but somehow you save less. You promised a budget, but the month ends in mystery. Today, let's break down 5 common money mistakes and how to avoid each one. Mistake number 1 is lifestyle creep. Lifestyle creep happens when your spending rises every time your income rises. You get a raise, and suddenly you need a nicer car, a bigger apartment, and pricier coffee. The problem is your savings rate stays flat, or even drops. To avoid it, lock in your lifestyle before you lock in the raise. When your income goes up, send the extra straight into savings or investments. Try to keep your fixed expenses below 50% of your take-home pay. A raise should make your future richer, not just your weekends. Mistake number 2 is not keeping a budget. A lot of people think budgeting means restriction. In reality, a budget is just a plan that tells your money where to go. Without one, your money decides for you, and it usually picks takeout. Start simple with the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt. Track your spending for 1 month and compare it to that target. You don't need a perfect spreadsheet, you just need awareness. Mistake number 3 is impulse spending. Impulse spending is the small, unplanned purchase that feels harmless in the moment. A snack here, a sale item there, a late-night online order you barely remember. Individually, they're tiny, but stacked together, they can quietly drain hundreds each month. The fix is to add friction between you and the checkout button. Try the 24-hour rule for anything you didn't plan to buy. Remove saved cards from your favorite shopping apps. Unsubscribe from marketing emails that constantly tempt you with deals. If you still want it tomorrow, then it might be worth it. Mistake number 4 is spending to impress. This is buying things mainly so other people will notice. The designer logo, the upgraded phone, the dinner you post but can't really afford. Here's the truth most people don't say out loud. The people you're trying to impress are usually too busy worrying about impressing someone else. Real wealth is quiet, and most of it lives in accounts you never see. Before a big purchase, ask yourself one question. Would I still buy this if no one ever saw it? If the answer is no, that's not a want, that's pressure. Mistake number 5 is poor debt management. Not all debt is bad, but ignored debt almost always is. High-interest debt, especially credit cards, can grow faster than your income. The minimum payment is designed to keep you in debt, not to get you out. Start by listing every debt, the balance, and the interest rate. Then pick a strategy and stick with it. The avalanche method targets the highest interest rate first to save the most money. The snowball method targets the smallest balance first to build momentum. Both work, the best one is the one you'll actually follow. And while you pay it down, avoid adding new debt for non-essentials. So let's quickly recap the 5 mistakes. 1. Lifestyle creep that eats every raise. 2. No budget guiding your money. 3. Impulse spending that adds up silently. 4. Spending to impress people who aren't watching. 5. Ignoring debt instead of managing it. You don't need to fix all 5 at once. Pick the one that hits closest to home and start there this week. Small, steady changes are what quietly turn into financial freedom.